Primate Ayodele tún ti jáde sọ̀rọ̀ o ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ wò ó mo fẹ́ kí ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n rán sí Ààrẹ Tinubu bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n tún ránṣẹ́ sí Ọba Olubadan wọ́n ní àjálù kan máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Olúbàdàn láìpẹ́ yìí o ẹ wò ó wọ́n tún ránṣẹ́ sí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ torí pé kí ni ẹnu ọlọ́rọ̀ ni ọ̀rọ̀ ti ń dùn ẹnu ọlọ́fà láti ń gbọ́ mọ́ta ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wá lọ gbọ́ iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n tún rán sí Nàìjíríà ó yá jẹ́ ká lọ gbọ́.
Olubadan will be attacked. Olubadan will be bullying. They will attack Olubadan, the king of Ibadan. Greed will trouble. Donald Trump will be troubled by greed. Donald Trump will be troubled by greed. Freedom and power will kill America. American economy will slump. And the world president will also protest against Trump. This month, Iranians will have power above America. This very month. Burkina Faso can be attacked. Actually, the attack and the threat to his government may not work. But the next attack in Mali will succeed. The Malian junta must watch. Burkina Faso, they will kill your soldiers. This month, next month, should watch very well. Watch very well. Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. That is the message. Southern Kaduna, there may be crisis in Southern Kaduna. Southern Kaduna political crisis may erupt Southern Kaduna. Uganda, let the country be very prayerful because the president is going to take some wrong policy politically that the people would not like, and they should pray against calamity, whatever that will make incessant killing, calamity that can erupt the country, like water flood, boat capsized, a kind of tragedy that will happen. But human rights were not too recognized in Uganda. The Uganda, they want to reform their constitution. Like South Sudan now, they will be proposing to do election, but the election is not going to take place. It's not going to be any election taking place. Wrong advisor will kill the president of South Sudan. Wrong advisors will kill the president of South Sudan. They must pray against lifeline in Uganda. Delta State, Shekiri, Urubu, and Ijo, they must pray against crisis. Shekiri, Urubu, and Ijo must pray against crisis that may come up in this place. Delta, Rex Signal in the state called Delta State. Delta State. America is going to threaten Tinubu's government. That's why the issue of killing of Christianity, America will take it very serious this month, next month. And I see that EU, US government, ECOWAS, AU, they will come start meeting political highlights and those political frontliners, discussing with them how they should sue for peace in the forthcoming election. If they started doing this, it's a signal to tell Tinubu that start packing, because they are doing all of this to support the opposition. Tinubu may not be very vigilant to see all of this, and they may not see this coming. The governor of Cross River will be disappointed. Disappointed, politically disappointed. And he will see what is going to come up in Cross River. He must not sleep. He must not. Majority of people that will take APC tickets, some of them will fail because people will vote them out. Let's watch about this. Anyways, Kwankwaso is not fully with ADC, but will be forced to stay. Even El-Rufai, they are planning other alternatives. The alternatives might not work. They've just been there like a mole. Yes. I told you that they will fight ADC with legality. And despite all that, ADC have come to stay. Now in the couple next, by July, August, ADC will be everywhere in the north. This is a warning signal for APC. Let Tinubu give Northerners many appointments. It will not save him. What will save Tinubu is Tinubu must look at the consequences of what is affecting all his good efforts. Whatever he might have done, whatever anything is doing, people will not see it right. They will not see anything right that he's doing, rather than they will look at it negatively. So there's problem. Anyway, big one. Malami must be careful so that they will not gang up against him. Patamin, they will do so many things to frustrate your political plans. The IGP Adamu, APC have concluded to cheat you if at all you win the primaries. I still say there's filtering. If you want your government to have sustainability, keep eyes on Felix and Aske. Actually, Aske, they want to bury his political expectation. Abdulrahman Aske is a very strong politician, but they want to bury it. So, filtering should get close to Aske and Felix. Romance with them. That will help you a lot. Cholera is imminent in Nigeria, and a slight of Ebola. There is going to be some increment in back stamp, VAT, deposit, transfer. There is going to be increment in it. ADC and Sheyi should work hand to hand and search for anybody who is bearing really one Kombi, the former commissioner of finance in Oyo State. This can help your party. The Malawi president and the vice president will fight. They'll have some political fight. Be watchful so that you will not fight. Malawi president and the vice president, they will have disagreement. Tinubu CIA is watching your government, and all they are saying about your government is negative. Kaduna refinery will break down, and I see some people change in NNPC, directors, redeployment, and there is going to be fraud that will be detected. Then some all well will be revoked. Lagos State University should watch about fire outbreak. LASU students may go on protest. University of Benin, they can go on protest. Edo State government, they'll begin to bring out so many things about your government. Tinubu should still work seriously on the economy. This month, the economy might be a little bit higher. Hardship. But what does it take the government to do the right thing? All this money they are collecting, borrowing. Why can't you borrow money to stabilize the economy, make the economy more better than expected? Then everybody is busy for campaigning. Now, what are they campaigning for? When the people are not happy. Even to be sincere, I'm not seeing any improvement in the next dispensation. Because you campaign 50 million, 100 million. All the people that spend money in this election, they will want to recover their money. How do you want to tell me that there was not going to be corruption? There's corruption in the system. The system is rotting. Honestly. The people who want to vote for, do we really know them? Did they really deserve it? In a situation whereby there's imposition, that, okay, go and do this, go and do that, and the people are not doing the right thing, tell me, is Nigeria going to vote for the right people in 2027? That is why the ruling party, they are going to face a very stiff international pressure. Tinubu have not realized this. Because the economy is going to be hard. The petrol, we are talking about petrol. The issue of petrol, we have not seen the basis of that petrol in our life, in our economy. Everybody are just going to visit Tinubu, they are visiting Tinubu to just, they don't like you. Those visiting you, they are just visiting you to mock you. Your enemies are visiting you. Believe me honestly, either you're a stubborn politician or not a stubborn politician. It's not about time. You see that Nigerians too, they are stubborn. They will be stubborn about you when it's time for them to vote. You don't know. The economy is not smiling, no. There's hardship. Those telling you that it's well, it's not well, no. It's not. Nigerians are not happy with you, Tinubu. Do the needful. Address the nation. Let them stop deceiving you. Things are expensive. People are not happy. There's hardship. Nigeria is just expecting that there's tension. Preaching cannot stop this tension rather than to be practical about what is on ground. You have to do the right thing for the right things to happen. People are in pains. Nigeria are in penury. I'll let Nigeria knows when the time comes the best party, the best candidate that will deliver. It's not a matter of supporting anything or not supporting. Well, some people said that they saw me where I sing, on your mandate you shall stand. You do hear me singing it. If at all I sing it, I may sing it for a purpose. I may be there, I may not be singing it. What I'm singing is different from what you are saying that I'm singing. And if I tell you that this is the right person, since that is the right person, in Lagos State, the best candidate is still Amzat. All this, let them go. I pity this SMA Gold. You just said it's Sele that will vote for you now. You go and do governor for Sele. You are wasting your money. Use that money to help people rather than say you are using it to buy form, to run for nothing. Politicians, they are heartless. They don't fear God. Èṣù àwọn olóṣèlú Nigeria. Èṣù apanijaye ni wọ́n ìkà. Every politicians in Nigeria, only few of them fear God. Few. Majority of them ìkà ni wọ́n. Ohun tó máa àjẹpá kọ́ndẹ̀ jèèyàn máa yé. Wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ọlọ́run. Kò yẹ ká máa gbowó olóṣèlú ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì gan. Olóṣèlú, they are not good. Nigerian politicians, even in the whole of Africa, they are wicked. Only few people are God-fearing people. It's up to you. The time will tell. When you vote for wrong candidate, then expect more difficulties. It's up to Nigerians to decide, and it's up to you to decide. There is going to be terror attack in UK. A slight terror attack that will shake the country called UK is imminent. Let the UK government watch this month. Can be like a stab It can be like an attack. It can be like a shooting in UK. I see shooting in America. Shooting. This month, next month. Shooting. And students can be attacked. Children can be attacked. Liberia president will cause complication in the economy of Liberia. Liberia, there will be corruption, shooting, killings. They must pray against tragedy in the country called Liberia. Liberia needs prayers. The Liberia president will take a very wrong policy that it might not be, people will not like that policy. He must be careful. And the Liberia president will see some challenges in his cabinet. Cabinet reshufflement in Liberia is imminent. I said about the South Sudan that it will fire some ministers and etc., which he has fired some ministers, a minister and some security officials. Now, he's going to remove 2 vice presidents, another 3 important cabinet members, like minister who is the VP who is in charge of economy. He will remove minister who is in charge of, who is coordinating the security of the nation, and they will remove the internal minister of internal affairs will be removed in South Sudan. In this very month, the South Sudanese, there's going to be crisis. The White Army are going to take some bold step to attack the government force. And I see erosion, I see cholera, I see shooting that the White Army wanted to take over Juba. There will be a threat to the South Sudanese president, a threat to his life, and must be careful so that he will not be bereaved. The president must be careful so that he will not disgrace the nation. South Sudan. Civil society will protest against the policies of the government. Civilians will be vulnerable in the country, and they will checkmate the country. Yes, let me make very strong warnings to the politicians. Politicians, you are selfish. Our politicians, they don't deserve another vote, especially those in the Senate, House of Reps, even some governors. They don't care about human. They care about themselves. They don't care about the people who vote for them. Nigeria is not secured. Economy is hard. The funnest part of it is now people cannot afford to buy a bag of rice. They will now be using that bag of rice to campaign because they know that they have subject Nigeria to pains and penury. They've made Nigerian economy to weak. They've made people to rely on them. Right? They will now be giving you a cup of rice. Anybody who is campaigning with cup of rice must not be voted for. Because, meaning that you are going to only be, your life is going to be mortgaged for 4 years. Or anybody who is giving you money. Let's see what the politicians have offered that will make him to deserve second term. Right? Any politician who is now coming to do road at the late hour, it's not a politician. It's not a likable person. Our politicians have killed Nigeria. Our politicians, especially those who are in power now, either APC, PDP, APGA, or what have you, this is the honest truth. Voting for them again, you don't even need to call for second term. If you have done well, people must call you, come and rule us again. Nigerians, how many times are you going to be voting for penury, pains, disaster, poison? How long do we continue to vote for people who will not make the country progress? Are we saying there's no killing of Christian or genocide? Yes, there's genocide, there's killing of Christians. Government is not, they are not ready for security. They are wasting our lives. How long do you continue to vote a wrong government? How long? How long do you continue to repeat? Put wrong people in the system. We should forget about ethnicity politics or party. Let's be realistic. All these people does not deserve vote again. They deserve cause instead of votes. We are not voting the right people. We vote wrong people. And they will come to us and say, well, let's vote. How many politicians establish hospitals? Only few of them. Few. Let me be honest to you. In Kogi State, tell me how many politicians have done what Natasha have done. In Lagos State, tell me how many politicians have done what Faleke have done. That is what we saw. The only thing is, this carrying city boys up and down is nonsense. What are they city? The city nothing. The city boys will make Tinubu to fail. City boys is not the answer. It's association of showcasing big boys, not politicians. Tinubu, listen now. Don't think that second time is certain. Free and fair election, second time is not certain for Tinubu. I don't think anybody should like me. Let me be honest to myself. Bringing governors together, 1 million governors. That's why I said that Tinubu fail, all the governors will fail. People will resist rigging. Are we talking about food? Is it what they're supposed to do now? Why can't you have done this earlier? Empower people's life, build capacity, and make people happy. No light, no good road, no food, no water, no work, etc. Now I say Nigeria is moving. We say renew hope. What hope does it give us at the first instance? Tinubu, they are telling you lies, pure lies. All the people that surround you, they are only telling you lies. Well, let me acknowledge this. Gbajabi Amila did well in Surulere, to be honest, no doubt. Gbajabi Amila did so well. Tell me any politician who have done what Gbajabi Amila have done in Korodu. What have they done? If I know their names, I will mention it. What have they done? Tell me what they have done. Senator in Korodu, what did he do? Abiru, there's one in Korodu, what did he do? The senator in our area here, I don't know who that is. What has he done? So we are only the senator that is Adebule. I think it's Adebule. What has Adebule done? Let me be very realistic. I might not be able to say this, but we have the God, directed by God, that has given us the ability to say all of this. We are not enjoying dividends of democracy. We are not. Students, what are they giving them? Schools, they are not good. These are the people I see that they have done so well, that have make. And then we now want to tell government, at least they make Okafor, I don't know who is in charge, at least give us good road. Maybe it's Tinubu or senator or whoever that does this. They've done well. From Yanosolo to Okafor. After Okafor, Jakonde is dead. He's dead. These are not projects. It's not projects. That is the truth. Security. Zero. Because people will go, they kidnap people for economic reasons. What is the work of these senators? They only be going there, talk about budget. What the senators are doing is not good. What are the senators in the Ondo? What have you? What are they doing? That is the truth. Then you now see church leaders carrying customized rice. Shame to you all. I don't know their names, so if I know their names, I will mention their names. They can't do me anything. They're shame to churches where they are using customized rice to give their members. Tinubu should do the right thing. People in government should do the right thing. Then we are going to now do the right thing. Voting is not by force. It's by our right. It's my right to vote for anybody I like. You don't need to campaign. Local government chairman, what are they doing? What are they doing? Well, let me be honest. Idimu, local government chairman, is doing well. The Ejigbo here, at least, is doing a little bit well. These are the ones I know. I don't know. So in Olonda, they are doing small. In Olonda, Badagry, they are doing well too. Yes. Many. Well, I don't know what Moshe have done. I don't know. It's what I know that I say. Obasa, speaker. Agege. Okay, they said the speaker is also doing well. He's long there, he has experience. He should be able to do more for the people. Do more. Those of you that are doing well, we encourage you to do more. Those that have not been doing, that they wanted to do projects now, vote them out. Vote them out. Vote right people so that the country can move forward. Nigeria needs help. Nobody will come and help Nigeria. We are the one to help Nigeria by ourselves. Let's tell the government what they are doing is wrong, what they are doing is right. Pastors, none of you can come out and say the truth because you are on payroll of the government. May I say that Obafemi Hamzat is good. Now, no candidate can compete with him. Right? It's a good candidate. But if he gets there and do rubbish, we will come out and say, this is wrong thing. He's a good candidate. I have not seen, let it be as if I'm campaigning for him. Did I know him? No. Let him come and say, I don't know him. But what I saw is what I'm saying. If there's anybody who can defeat him, I say, this person is better than Obafemi Hamzat. But for now, APC have brought somebody good for the first time. Oh no, for the second and a half time. APC have got a good candidate, second and a half time.